sick wey dem call am or the virus wey dem call am say corona last according to tori wey minister sese for sick pipo dem e don write am for on top book. E don land for inside country and na for dat side so for yawende on top the book wey minister sese be put e pen on top. Now we go take talk this afternoon. Sabi say book for minister e dey comot after just one day wey e be make waka for inside Douala here for try for check sense as wey Douala airport sesef e dey prepare for lookout pipo dem wey dem dey comot for aeroplane on top dis palava for coronavirus. Sabi sef say na inside 48 hours wey woman dem sesef dem go dey glad their big day. How the day e dey prepare and how dat wrapper sese wey dem don put am for outside wey woman dem dey buy e dey go, how the business e dey waka, tailor dem how dem too dey sew. We go strike for tonton for here as we tailor dem sese wey meet up dem today, and pipo dem dey say dat woman dey wrapper dey try for talk for we inside tori for dis afternoon. Tori too e go carry we go for dat market for central market side place wey dem call am say marché fampo wey pipo dem dey sell bottle, all kind of bottle dem don wake up dis early morning time for see am say dem don chakara all their place dem. So for tori we get plenty thing dem wey we go bring am for now for dis afternoon. Country pipo dem, newspaper dem dey for we before we get a big part of wey e dey talk for we say no matter how wey you choco time wey dey for on top dis ground. Sabi say when you go 6 feet that plenty money wey you take choco you no go fit for choco for go heaven. Say when you dey for earth you dey choco no be na the same way you go fit for choco yahweh for enter for heaven. Big part of e comot na for Prudence Kwashinwi e dey look we for dat side so for Abuja Nigeria, but e be na Ngondere for inside Mwa subdivision for northwest. I dey turn back small time. People them, we glad for meet up una again for this side so for Equinox Tori House. One of the big tori where people they don't talk since and they check sense. Now this palava for virus where they call them say corona. Yes, last minister says for sick people them. He own talk man. He don't sign book for talk say they so true that a sick or that virus he don't enter for Cameroon. We go show now the book where they so na minister talk man says he put pen on top as soon as they see am they say na since for number 24 day for inside February moon where some person wey come out for France he enter for country, and since that time waiting they be don't do all man be just she don't quiet. No man he no be the talk no nothing. Na only today where this book he dey come out for outside for talk say they so coronavirus he too he don't turn enter for inside country. So country people them as well dey just now how you feel look out when this sick he come. We go use with this photo wey dey outside them house make we enter for that number 2 photo. Person wey you dey sick or when you know one time say make this coronavirus e touch you na just the thing that sabi say na thing wey e dey worry you for wey you no fit for breathe, but as wey e dey come for your system na so too e fit turn e enter for different sides. So you say wey dey read which kind of thing dem the day wey you go start for feel am for your skin wey you go sabi say that thing e don touch you. You fit read am on top that book wey they don write am for Emmanuel Macron country talk wey with the prayer say make the book too e comot too for Queen Elisa e own country talk, so that plenty people dem say they fit look apart from the one sabi sef say e get way dem wey you get for behave, you get way the way you get for wash your hand. Amos maybe we'll fast forward that thing small, we'll push am for up small so that we turn see the other side for this book wey e dey show how way you fit use am for say make the virus e no touch you. Just follow all the step dem. They dey tell we say palava for chop mop no way at all. Try for comot say make you no get contact with different person in face, and how way fit for look at yourself na the different step them that way you fit for use am as way tori e enter for inside we ear. So last coronavirus wey they don decry say dey for different place for Nigeria e don last enter we country. So now na for we say for look out, but for now they dey talk say the case e no over dey serious and na for Yahweh day. But since on number 24 day, people that way they be there for inside the same hello play with that man, side way don't go. Since that time, before they even can sabi which kind of thing they fit talk, maybe other people them too, they don't surely. But with the prayer say make it be na only E1. Sabi said this one it happen where minister for sick people them, Dr. Manauda Malachi, he be there for inside Douala Airport. Now for the way land for try for check sense on top this palava for see the kind of thing where Douala people themselves for airport they do am. Now that's the thing that where they go use and check your face, and this other camera way it just stand up for corner way they check any man. And just like for in Simalen Airport, this thing as well this yam it be there too for the same place. Country people them for side where they call them saying Simalen Airport where they look out people them. So all the kind of way them where you fit for Siam minister says he come see with his own crow eye, and he don't talk say true as waiting that they work he too he must to cover his nose. Now so all man he cover for sick say that sick na air as well the hair, but he own it trumpers even cough when he touch you. So when you come they touch them for your face, they go check your temperature, check whether your skin is the hot over, check some kind of small thing them. That time if all they take the way they check you, if they can't pay you go pass. But sabi say only one day after when minister he come for inside Douala, now we book yourself. He come out, say since on number 24 day, they don't look some party man where he come out for outside country with that coronavirus. So na palava for all man just now, mommy and picking them. All man, he get for lookout, over tight, he no fine, overdo some kind of thing there for air, he no fine. So anything you want do, sabi say you must to wash your hand, you must to put something for move all dirty way it there on top your hand, and even for your clothes. We go left that chapter where it don't surprise people them, and it is also make people then just now for fear. We enter for different chapter, and a chapter where concern woman them. Sabi say woman them or woman them for Sunday. Now we did them big them will be turn for inside Douala here for try for check sense whether this a woman that they are lapa where it dey for outside, whether people then get or people they no get. But as well we turn for inside the whole Douala, the lapa it day, but the talk say the lapa it don't come for some different way now, and the lapa is over there. So people then say they know they can buy him as we tailor, or even people that they said the lapa they talk for we. Just now we go here with that man says we in the show with the lapa he talk palava the kind of way where the lapa then come this time.
Last year we get wrapper because the company we make plenty wrapper. This year so it be very difficult. We don't have wrapper this year, and customers always complain about the thing. And this year it was very dear. The full wrapper this year is difficult for have it, and we have only pieces. And when you have pieces, you get small thing inside. Don't you sell? You sew small kaba and sell it for woman. But this year is very difficult. Last year we make like 25 kaba. This year so. It just beat like 10 or 50, so it be difficult, easy. Forget the wrapper, it not be easy.
So, as we don't talk for we, if a person way they say the lapa says it the talk, palava way the thing it the dear plenty. How tell them when them they should don't wait for CC made the people them buy and can give for them. They do sabi say plenty of the tell them some they when governor work people them. It means say people that they work for inside governor office where they don't can give them the work, but some other people they too way even one you know even they for inside their business place. They tell we say that the warless woman did this where they come enter for inside as where they talk say no woman rapper he never enter for some people them hand. Make we hear wait this Taylor says he talk for we palava this a woman
Past years where at the show I always saw Women's Day. Then since 2018 we saw about 40. 2019 a bit less than, it come to 15. This 2020, we'll get na 3. Even my picking the way they be so I'm work picking them. No one, you know pass. All my customers the way they be ever sold their clothes. I no see no one here. The one we enter for here, na government worker don't bring her. Immediately as this one and then take and go. So even for here, if you look, I know see none of the Women's Day for day. So I don't know which way it happened. Whether I think they're over strong or now they close the women's day over expensive for where people they no fit buy them. We not really understand which way it pass. Now women's day is 2 days too, when a Sunday. But you know this nothing, no concern for sure how way the women's day will be. You know, they even see people the way they come. Man one can enter for so now individual close way they cancel and we not even see the women's day at all.
Now they suffer that we tailor themselves then get just now for Sika Palava say woman they no degree by them they rapam. For side for Mongo division from Banga we will land for the country people them. Outing is start na for roads we woman we nice said they look out all woman arraignment for inside Banga they be there for inside moto na for the way they so they try for talk for other woman them say me they sabi say their big day if they come small time so they turn for inside moto make sensitized too for other women the way they come out for make small worker for road for so say true now their own the way they come as your minister be talk say you will no get close for this year you feel manage the one for 2019 now so to the mommy them two they come up from Banga where they make their own small lunch for a woman name then says they wear na their all cover them for so say they so number 8 day inside this moon way fall for Sunday. True, it go be their day. But how this close to it day from Banga side, we don't turn. Now only they can close away the same way the turn up and so they don't already so way day for Banga. But they tell we say the closest of the binet, you know the waka fine at all. Binet for a woman it don't fall, no nothing, you know the show. So for inside place where they call them same Banga. Now for inside Mongo division. Make we hear just now wait away one of the people that says na power is so close. A talk for we for Palava for Binet for a woman.
As you see how also they all play don't drop. So they might not say something there for also the fiction say na woman day. Now 2 years today. This the one way put the doctor to be for your own. So they might for couple of days. No man on the chance again. And to that for the work for this side, the work for that side for nowhere and so this you don't I feel told it don't contaminate with because all day for inside other thing there. Plenty people for that side, you know, they be from this side for Banga. So they make upside the trunk. Anyway.
Also Sabi, apart from the tailor to the earbuds, Douala tailor the earbuds, Mbanga tailor the earbuds, will be talked to for one of the people the way they said this woman they cover them for Banga. A try for Terry as well they tin them in here for them.
Now you don't start back say they close them. First time you say or money up close. Now woman they come back because money no day. Since I don't buy, so they no money they buy. I never say 5 piece because money people not get money. The point for Anglophone the night that you don't make say no person not get money. Anglophone they will come for that side they can't buy for here. Now no person they come again. They don't remember for that side. All people don't run safe. Market don't die. Now we trap that. Then they say if the government will help you for say that point finish, may all map be fine. You go glad for that side.
Other mammy to talk for ye, he don't talk say ye, he no go even buy the a woman kaba or the lapa for Sika Palava say waiting. He over there, money no day. Make we hear the mammy say blow a fire.
For market then the year because woman plenty people don't glad. Adam could don't cheer plenty the year. Who they been sent for similar we send for Sika. For market na 12,000, 14,000. Now you don't make a plenty people not get cruise. After, because they no fun. Plenty women they toss it, they go defile for wetty. Better the people defile, but they don't wear that cruise. That we so we go defile, but and if you wear that cruise, because you over here.
Yes, close, money no day, he over there, as when my Mr. Seppi don't blow it on fire with him up. For that side, so for Kumba, for inside Kumba 1 subdivision, this morning time, it be then a small worker for woman them with that come out. From that side, so for Town Green, waka pass for Kumba Big Market, then last, they remain, they end for place where they call them say Kumba, the SDO them office. Sabi say this waka, where woman them for Kumba 1 subdivision, the waka, now for say make them own come be two way the day outside, one day the day for house, make them sabi say Sunday, now we go be them day, and they talk say make the woman then say they come out, them outside plenty, woman for Kumba 1, woman for Kumba 2, woman for Kumba 3 may they come out for say may they glad their big day. Sabi say di jawaka as we talk, they come out from Town Green, pass for Kumba Big Market, then come meet up SDO Ntu Ndong Shambalen and a woman we all them they be turn up for outside. They dey wait this woman then say where they come dance with them and for talk with them. Make we turn back for inside SDO office as we happen this afternoon. Mama SDO where the dance with the other Kumbi the way na woman them. Make we hear what we mayor for Kumba 1 subdivision will be the worker with this woman them this morning time. He talk palava this big day for a woman.
Be very grateful, say are they alive and I be a human being because say na woman he make a man be. So as Sunday na day woman they celebrate their International Women's Day. I talk say no, make me I not leave them. Make a be with them from the starting point right to the end. And you see how we don't start from Town Green, we don't go through Market Sote, we don't can end for Senior Divisional Officer office. So the women, they're glad. You don't see how they don't dance all, they don't show their style. And Sote, the SGO, a woman too, a movie own style and too, if you move on. To tell you, say all the women, they be very strong for make sure, say, they come out on Sunday for celebrate. They will get the kind of celebration where they never get them for the past maybe 1, 2, or 3 years.
Since na time for we for put woman for up, as we other woman they prepare their a woman we be go see some small girl wey dey na 17 years. This girl a commoner for Waterfall for Tombell. For Sika Palava for Northwest and Southwest, the girl don't decide for the work for inside place where they move block and side where they B house. And Sabi said the girl says it work like a man picking. Now girl will be the go technical school, but for Sika as we ground, it can for a Tombell. He don't run day now from Jombe side, now from Jombe side just now where this girl says it do his own work. Now just for talk say this so he don't like this work since we be this small picking as we the girl says the talk for we so now it be the main girl 17 years and it began for day school now, but for Sika setting the day some kind of way for Tombell and it day for Jombe like internally displaced. The girl says for find his own small money for chop. Now for say make it can help as we the bill so for see as we when the bill when they finish it too he get his own small money where he go buy his own gari for go chop. So just now the girl a big problem now for say make problem for Northwest and Southwest finish and to say make people them they look and they help you. So now we own girl that we will try for Lucky in name Nasilian and he gets 17 years now picking for government technical school for that side for Waterfall for Tombell. But as we place it kene it dey for Jombe. Now from Jombe where the girl says after we don't do small technical school place the waka fine it dey for Jombe just now. Now for day we it the tonton do thing way is happy for do am. Make we hear as we Silian says it take him up tell we as we money land from Jombe.
My name is Mbang Silian from Waterfall. For Waterfall inside Tombell subdivision. I do a building construction for school and I be here because of the situation where is there for that side. Where if you not be naive, I will do na for day. Well so I can't work for shanty because of the situation where me are there now so because my family then where they do for day then to the struggle and if I know also so things they no go show. I start for since from one, since I begin school, I be start this straight, and my year for from one be been 11 years. I like Asute because this thing, it be start for be my passion since where I be start for know some small things that I be admire the BC. So now my passion for since for childhood. So now thing where I do and so.
Be say time way he be enter for that workplace. The man picking the way they be talk for he say make he go back. Say they don't want woman, and again they be check say woman is weak. Cillian, tell we time way be just learn how they be they talk for you.
Time way be come for here for can do work. People then for this and say because say no, ma go back because be woman. I no fit do the kind of work. But I tell them say if the job allow me, I fit do some one thing. That way I be start and they still say yes, I feel do my own. Then too the surprise and thing I want back and say maybe I bet no one support me because for here I no fit job end for chantier. My dream then do for be engineer for future and now so I not get money for go further for professional school.
Yes, now the thing that a big beg not just now for say make people then set up the help say make it continue with two-way life for doing plenty. But the man picking the way be meet up until for day, they get their own small talk for talk. Palaba this 17 year, gone there away the work with it.
You girl na so. I think a superwoman. Only work with the work now. I swear. Me I don't fear you. I don't fear you. I know you know. Even a fight if you beat me, I don't fear you. It walk, the lady was an iron lady. When I just looking, they be that kind of woman. Women the devil outside they say their skin for get money. But when I see the kind of way you enter chantier, they will discuss with the work. End of day, when I get small salary, you know get it if I go. I feel you like the spirit.
Yes, it also play with plenty. I think that we need to like them, put it something for it. Because you will work so. Except man picking plenty, man picking around the work, and that's long work. Then you know hard to see there picking so. We like to work it really work. We're all man, you know. Yes, if I say government try for do something for they can get them when they get hard for work them. They can do really work. We man picking said they run. He help them for their school. But I think that one will be better.
Now the thing that we gather around for now for this special woman una sabi say na Sunday where the day they come, even as we plenty that they prefer say me the woman they wear black, they go church go pray and turn back for month people there they don't die. Other one the day we automatic woman it go pass fine for their side. So now the small one that we'll put on for now for that side we go come out outside woman we take una go just now for Peka 8 this morning time where some moto we carry lock them, a carry firewood them, baby firewood them, a tumble site, lock it to say person will be the sleep for corner side with this motor, he fall with this firewood them. Now so to the person, the firewood in no touch them. People them for inside this quarter for Peka 8, Peka wheat as we they call them, they say they don't decry all time, only palava for this motor where they enter for the plenty time. We go surely turn back for day in the proper on Monday inside Douala year 2 for market where they call them say marché fampo Iwawa this early morning time where the binet people there where they do their binet for them. The only one go for this morning time. All their house where they don't put them, they don't chakara, they say na caterpillar. It come for day for early morning time around that kind of 3 o'clock. It can chakara place. They say they be don't fet buy the place or they be the rent the place. Now I mean say they be the pay money for people them. But they only can wake up this morning time. They can see and say they don't chakara the place. This market as one of the CM na place where if you want buy any kind of bottle, whether na a one way the broke or na one way na a rubber, you go for there, you go meet up am. So na the main business that where they do am for this place, where they say they be done the parents for the land, say na themselves they make this place, but they surprise say this early morning time, caterpillar he enter, he chakara all thing for inside there. So themselves they ask just now, Oga SDO, Oga DO says who side they want and say me they go when they don't can chakara them, who side they go want and say me they get picking their chop, plenty question them. Make we hear Mami says it tell we wait till it happen, it be the talk for microphone for Steve Ebule.
I don't know how I feel tell you for sick. I say this plaba na wonderful. Na any year we get trouble for ya. That all of here it been being na fire. But this year na gouvernement for sick. I say I did talk say gouvernement for sick. I say if it's sous-préfet come give order say then chakala we wait the no ban come tell you we say wanna grab. Today, we don't tell you when I say wanna grab. We don't stop for this place. 10 here. Even being na bush. Na for ya them been come keep them shit. Na for ya them been come shit. Now we don't try this place. Dig this place. See man where he there for ya say we did say na he place Samedi Rose. We meet up in Brala where he been dying. Now he been give it this place.
Question where people themselves they never fit for understand. We want try for ask and maybe people themselves for understand. Mami, you say tell we waiting to make they broke the place.
They don't broke and say other people don't buy them. They don't send we for they don't send we for pizza we magazine where now we don't tie them and we been give to caution for ya forget this place. People where they get money pass we they don't come buy them. How they don't buy them, so we not get money, we not get 2 persons. Don't none so they don't come move be chakara, we kako all say we go. We go now for who suggest no. Just no. Our sous-préfet don't can give order, say we grab. And now we don't fix this place. Yes, he see how he go find a place where he go put we for day. For sick I say we not fit go stop for town, so we begin then no go chop. Then team na people. We say we begin team say for market then hold we. Now sous-préfet no play where he go put we. For sick I say sous-préfet bing and a delegation for mairie. Then find a place where then go put we. We became manage again. We try for meet we say.
Mami where they broke a binet place for inside place where they call them say marché fampo, na place where they sell all kind of container them, bottle where they broke and even the rubber bottle them. For that side for Tico, as where the new mayor says we don't chop chair, Chief Mesoso, he don't talk say problem for water for people them for Tico subdivision particular, one them for Mutengenem, he go don't finish, now for Sikawai that way Chief Mesoso, he be there for mile 16 for check side way they so they be used for make water for come out for meet up people them for Mutengene and he don't promise say he then a man for quarter and for Sika say he been a man for quarter palava for water. Now one of the first thing that we go look at them for say make people them for inside a Tico subdivision particular one them for Mutengene make them no suffer for Sika say water na life. Chief Mesoso he talk for we own microphone for Davidson Maimu.
Come out from Yaoundé, come see with the come technicians and with deputies and all we don't work up for see the track them way them get to follow for say them go dig and for line pipe them where it will make say all part of Mutengene get water. We don't stand from up Boya Road, we don't walk around, go down for see the directions them and all the places and way we don't map them. And tomorrow we'll there for the catchment for make sure say make things that be mature.
This one way easy. Some pipe they pass our people their house them. How not gonna take some of that one?
We get a committee where you don't sit for walk around to see pipe the way they pass for people their house, pipe where they pass for people their land, pipe the way they affect people them. Some committee the way you don't shit on to see how we handle them. I believe say people from Mutengene where they don't cry for water for so many years. If some pipe one pass for some man in front door, I not saying another man will say me water no can because the pipe don't pass for a place. Then other people to go get vexed with you. They will not make all procedure, all things in place for say any man where the pipe he affects you, we will talk with you, he get to understand because Mutengene need the water badly. And not be some one man will stop the water because say he get to pass for a place. Because if na your place, water get to pass for there, we'll call you, we'll talk with you, we'll give you possible solution the way make the water pass for say many people then be fine.
the new mayor for inside Tico Council, we accept the talk for we for that side. Country people them, as soon as Sabi, not today they don't put for chair. The new big mayor for inside Douala and he don't chop it chair. Sabi said all the mayor them, big mayor them, for inside the country, they already finish vote them. They did not total them 14, and inside them 14, 13 na CPDM, 1 na ANDP or UNDP person, and na for inside Gaundere, and 2 of the 13 them where they put them on top chair. Now people there they be done for being governor delegate. We get Victor Nkelengo for Kumba and Andrew Mutanga for place where they call them say Limbe. We talk this fire first, also finish story for this afternoon for Bomaka side where a Calabod house and another neighboring house a burned for that side. So for Bomaka now for inside Boyam as we place it be sun be one star go down on Thursday. Toriwe enter we here it try for tell we say fire be the burn we population or the people them for house they no be the day. Newspaper they were the day for we before this afternoon country people them make we enter for the Guardian Post newspaper where they outside waiting there for them. They tell we as we Tibonag just now it don't make big disappoint. He give them for separatism one day they one divide country as we talk Donald Trump country he go support now one Cameroon where he they united inside the same chapter for the Guardian Post. They tell we as we president for Ivory Coast he don't talk he no go turn up for be president as we vote he go come for a country this year. You feel read story too for inside the Guardian Post for other thing them. The Horizon newspaper where they outside it tell we as we Constitutional Council for Oga Clement Tangana it don't make history. Now which kind of history you want Sabi you feel enter for inside the Horizon for Sabi you feel read story to a consign US them Senate Donald Trump country Senate where they talk for United Nations to say make them make thing them quick for thing them for waka fine. Now so to you go read for the Post Weekender as well they give advice from Kunkuma say make it Chakara Constitutional Council for Sika waiting you feel read them plus Ngom na we don't deny say they no get hand for thing way happen for Babanki order to read them you fit for read inside the Post Weekender. We enter too for the Voice Weekend where they outside country people them inside the Voice Weekend they tell we as we blood it the throw away for inside Northwest and Southwest as we think they so pass na so to Ngomna it don't already start put hate for till they were watching them and they think they were uniform put them too they did do them. Now Sese begin CPDM big win for Donga Mantum for inside vote the way they just pass you feel read them inside the Voice newspaper plus Bonnie Dashako we don't deny say France it no get no hate for on top of Cameroon as we talk. We enter for municipal updates where na the last newspaper where they outside this afternoon where they tell we as when Kunkuma don't give Sefam the kana power where Enam he get according to way to a municipal update it talk you go read story too where they say Donald Trump country he don't deny Ambazonia people them independent work where they put them for before. You read Tori, Palaba the new big mayor them where they just put them two on top chair. Municipal updates, he get other one plus other one where you fit for reader. Country people them now so we see country this number 6 day inside number 3 moon Sabi say for Saturday PG News debate the come 12:30 so till 1:30 with the turn back for some of the trunk Tory them will be get them for inside this week. One say big salute for Adjutant Tassa Thomas we dey for inside Ministry for Justice Yawende Amos Fongo Malice Ledu all them they join hand for say make Tory Iwaka fine. On a whole, I'm tight for outside.